had a case where these guys were installing like solar panels, like massive like fields and rows of solar panels, and it's different contractors on this job site, and some of these guys are putting together these pipes and installing these panels, and then you have other people walking around and supervising them, and I kind of learned a decent amount about the industry in that case. But part of the job was some of these guys were tasked with holding the pipes together, and then another guy walks around with an enormous sludge hammer and hammers this nail to hold them together. I can't remember what the actual piece was called, and of course he put the pipes together and somebody's hand got smashed, and it was pretty well ruined. And so the important part of that case was that in Arizona, if you're injured on the job, generally you can't sue your employer. You're limited to workers' compensation, and that really limits what you can recover. However, if you have a work comp case, you always want to contact personal injury lawyer and see if there's any kind of third parties involved. Because if it wasn't your employer that was responsible, then you're able to still pursue that recovery in addition to the work comp claim. So in that particular case, it was another contractor. It was a separate company that caused that injury, so we were able to recover them for that. We see that a lot with like home building, where you get like a roofer that dropped something on an electrician or a plumber that caused some kind of damage and it injured somebody else. If they're from a different company, then a lot of times you're going to be able to pursue the insurance of that other company in addition to the work comp claim. So.